we are on the second day of India Wood and we are happy to have Mr. Rainer Kampwerth. He is the Director Sales of PUR HotCoating and Industrial Coatings of KLEIBERIT. A very good afternoon, Mr. Rainer Kampwerth.
Hello, good afternoon to you. Good to be back in Delhi.
Yeah, sure. So, how has been the India Wood going so far?
So far we are quite surprised about the first day. We were busy yesterday. Normally the starting day is a little bit slow or a little bit no, but we are happy to see lots of our good customers in India. And second day now, it's amazing. It's crowded, we are busy. This is all we want for an exhibition like this.
Sure. So hot coating is a very successful technology in surface finishing with a lot of advantages in comparison to standard lacquering. So can you tell us what are the most advantages and arguments for hot coating?
See, the hot coating technology found its place, especially on substrates that were normally known as to be uncoatable. One of the most important substrates for us, especially in the beginning, was the coating on melamine treated wood fiber based panels. We found after our development, we found the hot coating to create an amazing adhesion on top of melamine surfaces without any pre-treatment. This is also very important. We do not need any cleaning or any kind of sanding on top of the panel after the presses. We just go from the short cycle press after a short time of acclimatization and let me say cooling down from the press temperature. We go directly to the hot coating line without any further pre-treatment. One of the main advantages to us also that after application and a curing time of about 48 hours, we create what we call a perfect adhesion. This is not let me say, this does not stick to the surface. It gets in real adhesion function to the melamine surface, so that you can call it almost like welded.
Okay, sure. So there are a lot of possibilities for hot coating in interior and exterior applications. Do you have a lot of customers worldwide for all those possibilities inside and outside?
Yeah, since we started our project in 2011, we now have about 73 industrial lines in operation on many different substrates and many different branches. We are using or we are selling our products to. Let me say what I just mentioned is the wood fiber based panel is the melamine surface. We are also having increasing operations in HPL surfaces for interior and exterior, especially exterior grade application for wall cladding based on what we call HPL compact is becoming very, very popular. We also see a lot of unique function here because the hot coating is offering a very unique reaction to weathering, to all the seasons. When it comes from, let me say, in North America and Latin America, sometimes we have areas where it comes from -25 to +40. And so we need high flexible surfaces that are moving, that are doing all these motions on the wall, that can easily stand temperatures up to 100 degrees in the summer in direct sunlight, down to, as I said, -25, without any cracking, without any, always remaining flexible.
Okay, sure. Then how important, can you tell us how important is the Asian region for your business in surface finishing?
Well, I mean, the Southeast Asian region is very important from us since, let me say, decades already. KLEIBERIT is well prepared for the future in terms of political changes. You know, just recently we see some totally new challenges in politics. We are well prepared. We are having our own foreign subsidiaries. We have KLEIBERIT Australia, we have KLEIBERIT of China, we have KLEIBERIT of India, all our own subsidiaries in operation. So I think we can react very fast on these kind of challenges we are facing. We might face even more in the future. And for us, it's highly important to be present in India and to show our face and to increase our operations. Also because we think we need the balancing of the Indian culture is well known in the world. And this is something that the world needs in these days. And this is especially our target for increasing our operation here, is to balance our activities in other areas where you don't know exactly if you are still selling the day after tomorrow. And this is why we are continuously improving here. We are increasing our business. We are now hiring a new warehouse, and we are also thinking about producing in this area for the future, just following the movement.
That's right. So, in which countries worldwide is hot coating at work?
Oh, I have never counted the number of countries. As I said, we are in operation on 73 industrial operation. That means it's about panels, and we also very strong in we call it roll-to-roll materials, like papers and films, is also very popular. And it's difficult to say. We are really present in every continent. We are not yet present in every country. We are strong in some countries, like India, for example. But this has a history also, because our adhesive business was here in India quite before the hot coating arrived here. And but the number of countries I can not say. Probably I've been counting them 45 countries.
That's great. That's really great. So, thank you, Mr. Rainer Kampwerth, for giving us your precious time, and thanking from the heart from Wooden Panel Europe. And we wish you all the best for the rest of the days at INDIAWOOD. Thanks once again.
Thank you so much.